Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and today we are going to be doing how to do a bow on your wrapped gifts. It's the Christmas season and definitely you're going to be giving out gifts, and what better way than to have a gift that is beautifully wrapped in a bow. So today we are going to do 3 different ways that you can wrap your gifts in a bow. So if you'd like to see how I did this, keep on watching. So for this project, you'll need your box which has been wrapped, a pair of scissors, and the ribbons that you'll be using. So we'll do 2 different types of ribbons. So we'll use one in green and then the other one will be in white. So let's get started with the green one. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your ribbon. It's a white ribbon, but I did cut it into half. Take the ribbon and wrap it round. And then when you come to the top, you're going to twist the ribbon and then use this ribbon and take it around your box. Bring it on top and then you're going to cut the excess. So what you'll do, you'll take this part of the ribbon and you'll slide it underneath. So for the first part, this is what you'll have, and then next you're going to make the bow. You're going to take your ribbon and you're going to wrap it around your hands. So you can do a small bow or you can do a large one. There's no specific size for this, so just keep on wrapping, and then you can do this like 6 or 5 times. After you're done, you're going to cut your ribbon at an angle. So this is what you should have. You're going to align the center and then fold it like this. So next you're going to cut off a little bit of the corners. And do the same on this other side. So you should have an indented center. So next you're going to take, you're going to place the center here and use the excess ribbon to wrap it at the side. Make sure your bow is upright, and then you're going to take the same ribbon, these two, you're going to wrap them round and tie them on this other side. Make sure you do this tightly. So this is what you have. So next what you're going to do is you're going to start from the bottom, the innermost, and you're going to take it, move it to the center and twist it as you pull up, and this other one you're going to pull it backwards. So you're going to take this one, pull it up as you twist. Take this other one, do it in the opposite direction. So you're going to pull it up as you twist, and then this other one you're going to pull it in the different direction. So do this until all the ribbons are done. So for the second design, you're going to get your ribbon and you're going to want to leave like 5 inches. So you're going to wrap your ribbon round your box, bring it on top, so here you're going to twist and then take it down. And you're going to bring it on top. So you're going to cut the longer part of the ribbon at an angle. Make sure you do this with sharp scissors. So you're going to take the longer part of the ribbon and you're going to slide it beneath. So this is how your ribbon should look. So the next thing you're going to do, now you're going to fold a bow. So take this ribbon, fold it like this, and then take the other one and wrap it round. So you're going to make a letter X. So you'll keep on adjusting and come up with the size of bow that you want. And then you're going to tighten it. Now you're going to take the excess parts and you're going to cut it. So you're going to fold the ribbon and cut it at an angle so that you have letter X. Sorry, not letter X, letter V. Make sure you do this with sharp scissors. Mine are not sharp. And then do the same thing on this other side. And there is your packed box. So for the last one, you're going to mix green and white ribbon, and you're going to start off with the green one. So doing the same thing, leave off some ribbon at the end, wrap it round, take your white ribbon and you'll want to do the same process. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Which of the 3 options you'd go for, or which of the 3 options you found easiest. Yes, so if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. So until next time, bye.